Hey everyone, so I just wanted to teach everyone how to do a cap rate pretty easily. So what's a cap rate? It's the annual return on investment that you get when you buy a rental property, so a condo, a house, multiplex, something like that. So let's take the example that you bought a condo at $125,000. Then now you got to work on the income and expenses on a monthly basis. So you take $900 a month as an example, rental income. Then you take the expenses, general breakdown, you can add more things to this, but this is general. $200 a month HOA, taxes, which is your property taxes, you break that down to a monthly, $40 a month, insurance, so about $50 a month, and then that leaves you with your net, as some people call it net operating income, I just call it net income, it's the income after your expenses, so $610 a month, and then you multiply that by 12, so now you got your net annual income. That's going to be $7,320. Then you just divide that by the original cost of what you paid for the place. So $7,320 net annual income divided by $125,000 equals 5.8% cap rate.